Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Friday. Today is July the 24th. We have had a pretty slow week this week. We had a lot of rain, kids going back to school, a lot of people taking vacation, so that's typically normal, especially with this rain and this weather. Well, we're out here in the Brookhaven, Buckhead area. This is a client that did call me for an in-home consultation about 2 weeks ago. I came out here, they booked on the spot. They said, Courtney, after doing research, you was the only company we called. And I love when I get that because it lets me know they did their research. So what we're going to be doing here today, guys, is a screen recoat with UV cure. They have an old red oak floor. She said, Courtney, we just want to just get it done because they love the one-day system, the one-day process. They are older couple. They just left the key with Christian to give them me. They actually hired Christian to move the furniture because she said, Courtney, we just didn't want to get out the house and be distracted for days because that's usually sin. It takes a whole lot more time. So what we're going to be doing on these floors, guys, let me flip it around. It's going to be a good one. All right, so here we go. So this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing about 2 passes on these floors. You can see these are some very, what was that? What's that? That's coming from?
I just did that so you can get out.
So there's Christian and his guy Silas. They're actually moving the furniture. And what they're doing, they're just putting it in the kitchen because they have tile in the kitchen. And me and Tavares are going to be doing these floors right here. Right here. Now, I did tell them that this might not come all the way out. She said, Courtney, we understand. You can see a lot of discoloration right here. Here, coming into the front door. And the good thing is they have 2 bedrooms. They said, let's hold off for now. We'll do these later. And that's good because the bedrooms cut off here and here. So we're not going to do these bedrooms. But then we got this hallway here. And we got this room here. Get some light in here. If it's not, I'll just bring one. And then after this, I got 2 consultations. They're both actually in the same area. One wants to get their floors done, and another one is actually moving in to a house and want to quote on their floors. All right, guys, go ahead and get this party started.
Yeah, Truman. One day, let's go.
Truman, how you do that?
And one day, do your thing on that floor.
Do your thing on that floor. Truman, how you do that?
You number one, bringing wood flows back to life. No.
Do your thing on that floor. One day.
No full sand in the days.
Green and recoat.
UV cure on the way. Customer looking like, man, that flow done. Other companies talking about saying it awesome. Truman walked in, say, hold up, let me see. Color correction, now that wood looking clean. Scratch marks fading, that shine coming through. UV curing, back on the floor like new. No weeks of waiting, no long delay. Walk on it tonight. We getting done today.
Truman, how you do that?
And one day,
Do your thing on that floor. Do your thing on that floor. Truman, how you do that?
you number one, bringing wood flows back to life.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. We're down to the UV. What can I say? Look how much better these floors look in one day. Now, guys, remember that area right there where I told my clients, I told them it was not going to come out. Well, guys, look at that. That looks amazing. Again, this is not a full sanding. It's not a perfect floor. They did not want to leave their house for numerous days, and they just wanted to get back on the floor same day. I mean, that's a lot of my older clients. They say, Courtney, we just want to make the floors look better because we don't want to stay in other rooms. We don't want to go get hotels. And they didn't want to change the color. And my client, she did her research, and she loved the one-day recoat system. Tavares is right now UV curing the floor. All right, and guys, this floor came out amazing. I mean, amazing. I'm very impressed with that area right there because I did not think that was going to come out. Remember, all through here just worn. Look at that now. So actually, Christian and his moving guy, actually one of his moving guys are already back. They're about to start moving the furniture back. And then this bedroom back here. And we are done. And guys, look at the difference. Look at the difference from what we did. Look at those 2 rooms right there that we did not touch. And you can just see how worn they look. And she said she is going to have me come back and do these 2 rooms. Very impressive. Look at that. Wow. Wow. All right, guys. Truman 1-day recoat system. Have you back on your floor same day. UV curing technology. And guys, stay on the lookout. I got some things in the works. Beautiful. Beautiful. All right, guys. See you in the next one.